Hi, I'm Prachi. I'm lactation consultant. We are celebrating World Breastfeeding Week and today is the last day. We have discussed various topics related to breastfeeding in last 6 days. Links for the same are in the description box below. Today we will be discussing about pros and cons of direct breastfeeding and expressed milk feeding. Let's begin our discussion with direct breastfeeding. This involves mother and the baby. The requirement for direct breastfeeding is mother, baby, and a comfortable room with a comfortable sitting or lying down arrangement. In direct breastfeeding, there is a variation in the duration of feed. This depends on certain factors like age. As the age of the baby progresses, sucking reflexes become stronger. Also, mother's milk flow becomes more regulated and faster, and the combination of this reduces the feeding time as the baby grows up. Second factor is the time of the day. Some babies tend to feed for longer durations during afternoons, and some choose to do this during evenings. So there's a certain time of the day when the baby feeds longer than the other times. Let's discuss the pros of direct breastfeeding. The first and most important pro of direct breastfeeding is the triggering of hormone oxytocin that happens because of sucking of the baby, because this trigger helps in increasing the milk flow. Second factor is minimal preparation. Direct breastfeeding only needs mother, baby, and a comfortable space. It doesn't require anything other than that. The third factor is reduced effort and time required for cleaning and disinfecting breast pump parts and other storage containers. Last and the most important pro is mother and baby bonding time. Direct breastfeeding provides enough time for mother and baby to bond with each other. Now let's discuss cons of direct breastfeeding. The first one is working mothers. Working mothers will be away at work and they cannot attend to their baby in those hours, and that could easily discourage them and they would stop breastfeeding altogether. Second factor is when the mother and the baby are out and there is no comfortable place for feeding the baby. The third factor is when the mother is suffering from sore nipples or any other condition due to which direct breastfeeding could be painful. Now let's discuss about expressed milk. Milk can be expressed either by hand expression or by breast pump. Hand expression could be particularly useful during those initial days before the milk comes in. As the quantity of milk is very small, if you use a breast pump, there are greater chances of the milk being lost in the parts of the pump. Now let's discuss pros of expressed breast milk. The first factor is it helps to increase the milk effectively when the babies are not sucking well, especially when the baby is preterm or there are twins. Allows the mother to have rest while others are caring for the baby. Third factor is for working mothers, it's very easy to express the milk and keep it ready for their baby. Allows the mother to feed the baby even in the public places where there is no comfortable position to feed the baby directly. If the mother is having any painful conditions like sore nipples, then it is advisable to express milk and keep it for the baby. And lastly, in our new normal of 2020, it is even more advisable to express the milk and leave the house, especially where mothers have to go and do some errands and cannot carry their small ones. Let's discuss cons of expressed milk. The first and most important would be the release of hormone oxytocin gets affected as sucking of the baby doesn't happen and breast pump cannot raise that level as much. So long-term reduction in milk supply can occur. The second factor is it requires lot of effort and time as cleaning and disinfecting of breast pump and its parts along with the storage containers is required. Third and the most important part would be there's a reduced bonding time between the mother and the baby. Thus, we have seen pros and cons of direct breastfeeding and express breast milk. I would suggest that mothers should try to feed directly as much as possible, and when there is no other option, they should express the breast milk. Detailed post on this along with the free printable is available in the description box below. With this, we come to an end of our series of World Breastfeeding Week 2020, where we discussed various topics related to breastfeeding to support the mothers.
For more details, visit us on our website www.prachilactation.com, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. This is Samar and Trisha signing out. Bye bye.